Here's my iPhones, and as of a week ago, Apple finally said it's okay to use 70% alcohol to clean your phones, or cleaning wipes over here. Previously, the suggestion was just to use a lint-free, rag, and just get it damp and then just clean it like this. The two main reasons why they always said just to use a lint-free rag and a damp solution was because of two things. One, they didn't want you to water damage your phone. More so when you have mechanical parts like a home button over here. This can get damaged easily, or the front earpiece with water. But ever since iPhone 7 was produced and iPhone X, there's very little mechanical parts, and now that the earpiece is waterproof and everything else, even the ports, that risk has been mitigated. The second more important thing, I believe, is just scratching the phone. If you don't use a lint-free rag, you can easily scratch your phone, or you can remove the layer that that prevents smudging in fingerprints. It's called, like, let me see what it's called. This is Apple's official response. So it's called the fingerprint-resistant oleophobic oil repellent coating. So maybe it's three reasons. They don't want to get rid of that coating, as well as the scratching part. So eventually, the coronavirus prompted them, I believe, to step forward and allow you to use these products as recommended. So this would be an example of what not to use: a paper towel, because it could easily scratch the screen or the back, and also it might, if you use any harsh chemicals like a window cleaner or just a bathroom cleaner and sprayed it onto you and try to wipe it, it's very harsh and might remove the repellent layer or start scratching the phone. So remember, don't use paper napkins and don't use window cleaner. Just use this alcohol type of solution, rubbing alcohol type of solution at 70% isopropyl alcohol. I'm not sure if I think any higher might be fine. It's just gonna dry up quicker, and supposedly I think it'd probably be better for disinfecting. Any less would be not as good for disinfecting. And of course you can use Clorox wipes.